In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to theme image change Pandadoc. To get started, open Pandadoc and go to the document or template where you want to update the theme background image. This works for both a one-time document and a reusable template, but it is important to remember the difference. If you change a template, future documents created from it will inherit the new theme image. If you change a single document, only that file will be updated. Once your document or template is open, make sure you are in the Pandadoc editor. You should be able to see the main editing canvas with your content on the page. Now, move your attention to the top navigation bar. This is where you will find the formatting controls that affect the overall look and design of your pages. In the top navigation bar, select Format. In some versions of Pandadoc, formatting options used to appear in a sidebar tab, but here you will access them from the top menu. After you click Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose Theme. This takes you into the theme settings, where you can control page-level design elements. Now look to the left sidebar, where the theme options are organized. Under the section labeled Page, click Background. Background settings are where Pandadoc lets you control what appears behind your content across the page, including colors and images. If you are using a background image as part of your branding, this is the setting that controls it. Next, find the background image area. Click Image and then change your theme image. Depending on your setup, Pandadoc will prompt you to select a new image or upload one from your computer. Choose an image that fits the page size well, stays readable behind text, and matches your brand style. If your content becomes hard to read after the change, consider using a simpler image with more open space, or an image with lighter tones. After you select the new image, take a moment to review your pages. Scroll through to confirm the background looks consistent and that important content is not visually crowded. And that is all there is to it.